Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, IRCC has made a significant improvement in order to increase the transparency between applications. They have provided more details on their processing time, where you actually find out at which stage they are processing. And when I say stage means which months applications they are processing, so that you can identify if they are on your application or not, how many people are before you, and like that. But that doesn't mean that you will be processed in the exact speed like before. It could vary case by case, and there's no way somebody can guarantee you exactly how much time anything will take in your case. But anyway, so we are like check your current processing time. So let's say you have applied for a family sponsorship and you're sponsoring your spouse living outside Canada. Then where they'll be living, I select outside Canada. Have you already applied? I selected yes. Which year and month? So let's say you have applied in August. So there are 33,000 people ahead of you. Estimated time left is like 8 months, and this is updated monthly. And total number of people waiting for the decision 45,900. So even after you, there are like 12,900 people. Okay. Applying now should be processed in about 15 months. Yeah, this is a good initiative. It gives you more information. But yes, all of us want to reduce the processing time. So that I totally understand. But anyway, I appreciate IRCC's this initiative. And to be honest with you guys, this will encourage less applications of GCMS files for IRCC, because it used to be a tool where people always want to check what's going on with their application. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.